In this lesson, we are going to learn what are the different types of SEO which is currently available. Based on our previous lessons, we now know what is search engine optimization. But let's quickly see the definition again. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your web pages according to the ranking factors for your targeted search queries in search engines in order to rank at top position in organic or non-paid search results. SEO types. SEO process will remain the same, but for certain types of SEO, the workflow and metric will differ. Due to that, we will have a separate subtype SEO optimization for these specific types of SEO. Once the introductory free SEO course is finished, I will create separate free courses for each of this specific SEO optimization process also. Now let's take a look into the majority of SEO types which is available. First one is the common one, which is international SEO. The process of ranking your pages in higher search positions for search results page which target audience worldwide. That is the important point. This in this SEO you are targeting audience everywhere in the world. Local SEO. In this type of SEO, you aim to boost your ranking in specific geographical area by focusing your efforts on a particular country, state, city, suburb, or neighborhood. You can use local SEO to for your business website or Google or Bing business listing. I will explain this in later stage. Promotional video for your business which is posted on YouTube and more. This type of SEO is ideal for small businesses, enterprises, or businesses in looking to target one geographical area who's looking to sell product or offer services. Now let's take a look into some main facts which shows the importance of local SEO. 72% of the buyers do a local search and visited a store within 5 miles. More than 97% of people get their information about local companies with an online search. 88% of mobile searches for local business will result either in a call or visits within 24 hours. 78% of location based mobile search result in an offline purchase. Near me or close by type searches grew more than 900% over last 2 years. Examples include best digital marketing agency near me or best restaurant near me. YouTube SEO. It is a process of optimizing your videos to rank higher on YouTube search engine results page, making it also appear on suggested and related videos more frequently. The main reason you should consider optimizing for YouTube include more than 2 billion people use YouTube. YouTube is localized in 100 different countries and also localized in 80 different languages. At least 1 billion hours of video is getting watched each day. YouTube video can also be monetized, and over the past 5 years, they have paid more than $2 billion to their partners. Video SEO. It is the process of optimizing your YouTube video to rank higher on search engine results page such as Google, Bing, Yahoo. Few important reasons why we should optimize your videos for search engine include Google owns YouTube. So search results will show YouTube videos more prominently. The reason is Google can place ads, the search engine ads from PPC program within their YouTube videos also. It will play during the video or when the video initially load. So it means more profit for them. So they will prominently feature YouTube videos also in their search results page. Unlike new websites where you need to earn the trust from Google, but when you create YouTube video, it is hosted on YouTube, which is a trusted website from Google and also have an immense SEO power. So it will help you to speed up the ranking process also. Videos are also more captivating compared to text, and people tend to watch videos for longer period compared to reading a text. Image SEO. Image SEO means optimizing your website images to rank higher in image search results or image snippets within SERP pages. The reason for optimizing images for search engine include: report shows that 33% of all searches in search engines return an image snippet. Search engine have a dedicated section only for image search results. Lot of people use Google image search or Bing image search to find only image specific results, and also these image specific results will have a link back to your web page. So in case if the users want to find, searchers want to find the source of that particular image, they can click on that link to visit your web page. Mobile SEO. This is an important SEO type you should focus. Search engine show different set of SERP results for same query for desktop and mobile devices. The reason is because due to the different optimization and user experience website provide for different devices. The increasing level of mobile users make it one of the most important factor for SEO. Therefore, search engine have specific set of guidelines to have your website optimized for mobiles, or you won't rank well in mobile search results pages. So the definition of mobile SEO is: it is a process of SEO optimizing your website for mobile devices, focusing on mobile user experience to gain higher ranking in mobile search engine results page. The main reason why you should consider mobile SEO is mobile optimization factor is no longer an optional element. It is a mandatory option where in order to make sure that you get higher ranking on SEO, you should absolutely have an optimized SEO for mobile also. And also there are other facts such as 52.2% of worldwide web traffic come from mobile phones. There are more searches on mobile device compared to desktop. 87% of smartphone users visit search engines through mobiles at least once a day. 40% of mobile visitors will leave your site if your site takes less than 3 seconds to load it. E-commerce SEO. E-commerce is the process of selling your products or services over the internet. Some major examples include Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. We perform SEO slightly different compared to our blogs or website for e-commerce. So definition of e-commerce SEO is: it is the search engine optimization process of optimizing your store, website, and product pages to rank in higher position in search results pages for commercial intent search queries or keyword. Some of the main facts to consider when it comes to e-commerce SEO is: it is estimated by 2040 that 95% of the purchases will be through e-commerce. 44% of people start their online shopping with a Google search. WordPress SEO. This is one of the most important SEO optimization factor because there are so many people are using WordPress. Let me explain it. WordPress is a free web software known as content management system, also known as CMS, that helps you to create and manage website or blog without any web technical knowledge or knowing advanced HTML. It is one of the most easiest way to create dynamic websites. There are at least 500 plus new WordPress websites are created every day, and WordPress alone powers almost 40 percentages of website that exist in the internet. We even use WordPress at Digital Marketing Mind. In addition to being the most popular CMS solution, the WordPress CMS also can be easily converted into a e-commerce store using a free WordPress plugin called WooCommerce. But that's not all. There are so many other types of SEO, and those include App Store SEO to optimize your app ranking position within Play Store, Blogger SEO, the process of SEO optimizing your Google Blogger blogs or Blogspot blogs, Wix SEO, process of SEO optimizing your Wix CMS blogs, voice SEO, process of SEO optimizing your audio content to rank for voice search, news SEO, process of SEO optimizing your news content to get indexed fast and rank higher in search engine news section. So in conclusion, we learned what are the main types of SEO and how you should choose a SEO type according to your requirement. You also not necessarily needed to choose only one type SEO. You can choose multiple SEO type and work accordingly towards it. And I'm also sure that there will be more types in future also, depending on the tech development and how industry will change over the time. And I will try to cover every single SEO process, at least the main ones, in free separate dedicated course for each.